Let's get our hands dirty and answer a question that keeps popping up in home composting. What happens if you feed worms only banana peels? Some say banana peels are worm superfood. Others warn it's a recipe for disaster. The truth? It's probably somewhere in the messy middle. So, I ran an experiment. 2 worm bins, 2 diets. One bin got a balanced mix of kitchen scraps, the usual composting fare. The other, nothing but banana peels. Why? Because worms are living creatures, and what we feed them matters. Are banana peels a treat or a trap? I wanted to see for myself, and maybe help every backyard composter out there. Time to find out if a mountain of banana peels is a feast or a slimy prison. Let's dig in. I set up 2 identical plastic bins with damp newspaper and cardboard bedding. Each bin got the same number of red wigglers, composting's MVPs. After a few days to settle in, the feeding began. Bin A, the control, got a balanced diet. Media group, coffee grounds in a bowl. Coffee grounds being added to compost a stock and distribute equally coffee grounds, eggshells, apple cores, lettuce, and a few banana peels. Bin B got only banana peels, chopped up for easy eating. No variety, no carbon-rich browns. Just a steady stream of peels. Every time Bin A got a diverse meal, Bin B got more bananas. I buried the food just under the bedding, as usual. The stage was set, the worms were ready. Now, it was time to wait, watch, and, occasionally, sniff. Would the banana-only bin thrive, or turn into a disaster? Let's see what happened. After a week, the differences were obvious. Bin A smelled earthy and fresh, worms were active and thriving. Bin B, a sweet fermented odor and worms huddled away from the slimy peels. By week 2, Bin B's smell turned sour and the bedding was waterlogged. Worms tried to escape. Never a good sign. Bin A, meanwhile, was breaking down scraps beautifully. By week 3, Bin B was a disaster. Thick brown sludge, pale worms, and a stench that could clear a room. Bin A's compost was dark, crumbly, and full of healthy worms. After 30 days, the results were clear. Bin A produced rich, garden-ready compost. Bin B was a slimy, useless mess with miserable worms. The lesson? Worms need variety. Banana peels alone create a wet, acidic, and unhealthy environment. Balance is everything. So, what went wrong with the banana bin? It's all about balance. Banana peels are greens, wet, nitrogen-rich, and quick to rot. Without browns like shredded paper or cardboard, you get a soggy, smelly mess. Worms need both for a healthy home. Banana peels are fine in moderation, but alone, they're too much of a good thing. The ideal worm bin mixes greens and browns for airflow, moisture control, and nutrition. If you have lots of banana peels, add plenty of dry bedding to soak up moisture. Watch your worms. If they're active and the bin smells earthy, you're on track. Composting is about experimenting and learning. Listen to your worms. They'll tell you what works. Share your results and help others get better at this rewarding, dirty job. Happy composting.